Fix paper feed issues for the HP DeskJet Plus Ink Advantage and HP Envy 6100 and 6500 all-in-one printer series. If you are printing and your printer stops picking up pages and you receive an out-of-paper error message on the printer control panel, follow these steps to fix the issue. Step 1. Check the paper quality. Paper feed issues might result from using ripped, dusty, curled, wrinkled, or bent paper. Use only good quality, new, clean paper that meets printer specifications. Slide out the input tray and remove the paper from the tray. Remove any bent, wrinkled, or torn pages from the stack of paper. While the input tray is out, check for obstructions in the tray. Even small items such as a tiny piece of paper can cause feed issues. Hold the stack of paper and tap the bottom edge onto a flat surface to make sure the stack is even on all sides. Load the stack of paper into the input tray. Carefully slide the paper width guides against the paper without bending it, then close the tray. Step 2. Clean the paper feed rollers. Dust, paper fibers, and other small bits of debris can cause paper jams and errors. To clean the rollers, gather the following items: a clean, lint-free cloth and distilled water. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Lift the ink cartridge access door until the lid locks into place. Remove the paper path cover by pinching the tabs together and lifting it out of the printer. Dampen the cloth with the distilled water and squeeze to remove excess water. Press the cloth against the rollers and gently rotate the rollers with your fingers to remove dust and dirt. Then leave them to dry for 10 minutes. Reinsert the paper path cover by pinching the tabs together and then lowering the cover into place. Align the posts on the sides of the cover with the alignment track on the printer and slide them into the slots. Press the cover down and then release the tabs to lock the cover in place. Close the ink cartridge access door. Now clean the rollers under the printer. Secure the printer and scanner lid by placing your hand on top of the printer before turning it on its side. Open the input tray to expose the paper roller underneath. Using the same method with the damp cloth, rotate the roller to clean it, then allow it to dry. Close the input tray and carefully turn the printer upright again. Plug the power cord back into the printer. The printer automatically powers on. If the issue persists, contact HP at support.hp.com/contact for further troubleshooting solutions.